Hello. Well then, do you want to actually start manifesting your dream life? I thought the manifestation is basically just wishing things into existence, but it's not. And so in today's video, we are going to deep dive. And so in today's video, we are going to deep dive into this topic of manifestation for beginners. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie and I love talking about self-growth, manifestation, feminine energy, mindset shifts. And so if you want to create your dream life, make sure to follow. So to start, what is manifestation? Manifestation is basically attracting things into our life, into the 3D. We all manifest subconsciously. That means that we think something, we have a certain mindset, and that mindset manifests all those things. It attracts it. And we do not choose that. But we have the option to affect our subconscious, and that means we can actually choose what we want to attract. And all those manifestation techniques, it's just a way to affect your subconscious and change your mindset. So, for example, if you think all day about positive things, how amazing your life is, your subconscious doesn't have a choice than to attract it into your life. But the same goes for the opposite, so the negative things. And one key principle is that our 3D, our reality that we can see actually, we can perceive it, is just a mirror. It's a reflection of our thoughts because our thoughts create our reality. It manifests the reality. So that was a lot, but how can we actually influence our subconscious? How can we manifest? I am going to share with you 3 key principles. So the first is to have a clear intention. That means that you think, okay, what do I want? Okay, I want a relationship. Which relationship do I want? How do I want it to feel? With what man do I want to be? Be specific. You gotta know all the details, right? And then think, if I want this dream man, okay, would this dream man want me? Or who would this man want? So you have basically 2 lists, my dream man and the dream woman that the dream man would want. And your goal is not to be the dream man, but to become the dream woman. And with that, actually attract that man, okay? So it's a perspective. And so your daily goal is to embody this woman more and more and more. And over time, you will become her. And when you do, you will manifest the man. But that's just one example. The second principle is to feel as if. So for example, you want to have a good grade from math. Or could be anything, okay? So how would you feel if you have just got the notification that you have A? You would be happy, right? You would have all these positive emotions. And you have to name them and understand them and feel them. Because again, your thoughts and emotions have a frequency, and that frequency actually affects your subconscious. So through feeling all these emotions, you attract that outcome. The third principle is to let it go and trust. I know that feels quite counterintuitive, but it works. Because you need to understand that when you put out this intention in the universe to get this manifestation, you need to understand that it's done and it's on its way. And you mustn't obsess about it. Because when you obsess about something and you feel like, okay, it's not here, when is it gonna come? That's a lack emotion, right? You feel lack, you feel like you don't have it. And this emotion has a frequency, and that also affects your subconscious. And now I'm going to share with you 3 frequent mistakes that people do when they manifest. So the first is negative thinking. Like, it's not beneficial, right? You always need to think the most positive things. Like, you want the man, of course, he's mine because he wants me, he's attracted to me. You're not telling yourself like, okay, he's not here because I'm not so beautiful, I'm not enough. No, you are enough, okay? You are enough. That has to be your self-concept. The second is obsessing. I've quite touched on that. Do not obsess, because obsession is, again, lack mindset. You don't have it when you obsess. Because you're so attached, it's on a pedestal. and you are below it. And you cannot manifest something that's above you. So do not obsess about something. And the third is not being in alignment. That means that, again, you need to embody the woman that would attract that man. But if you're lazy, you're doing nothing, the man wouldn't want you, right? So you need to act as this woman. You need to be in alignment with this woman. You need to be in alignment with this manifestation. And act as if it's already done. Wish fulfilled, right? So that is basically everything for this video. I think you have a solid foundation for manifestation. And let me know in the comments, what are your manifestations? Because I would like to read them. And we can support each other, right? And I've also created a manifestation worksheet. It's basically 2 pages of what to focus on, affirmations. I have created a daily routine for you. And so you can download it, and every day you can reread it and manifest your dream life. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see you soon. Bye.